4 medicines are cough and cold syrups produced by Maiden Pharmaceuticals Limited in India. WHO is conducting further investigation with the company and regulatory authorities in India. While the contaminated products have so far only been detected in the Gambia, they may have been distributed to other countries. WHO recommends all countries detect and remove these products from circulation to prevent further harm to patients.
We had to take this very seriously, and we were immediately we sort of gave necessary instructions to the relevant authorities to check on this, and we are quite sure now that none of those medicines or other the announced medicines that are supposed to be used in another country and which have resulted adversity has not reached Sri Lanka, and every single medicine that comes to Sri Lanka undergoes stringent testing that is required through the NMRA. So that's where we stand.